Hey folks, and welcome back to Lochs and Highways. Now I know you're used to seeing me behind the wheel, driving along Scotland's beautiful roads. But today I thought I'd mix things up a bit. We're leaving the car behind and going for a walk, and I've got my two trusty dogs along for the adventure. Today we're heading up towards the Lowther Hill radar station, passing a piece of history along the way. The World War II hurricane crash site. It's a foggy day here, but that only adds to the atmosphere of this historic spot. Wanlockhead, where we're starting, is Scotland's highest village, sitting at an elevation of around 467 metres or 1,532 feet above sea level. It's a place steeped in mining history, but today we're focusing on trying to see some stunning views and the incredible history hidden in these hills. Let's take a stroll and see what this place has to offer.
Of the hills where the rivers wind slow, Wanlockhead stands where the cold winds blow. Golden dreams in the mountains hidden deep in the past, whispers of legends, the stories they cast. On the old mining roads where the echoes still roam, the heart of the hills calls a place we call home. With each step I take, there's a tale to be told.
As you can see, the views around here are nothing short of amazing.
Oh, Wanlockhead, your spirit will never fade. In the winds and the heather, your memories lay.
We've just come across the Mossy Burn Reservoir, nestled in the hills here. It's quite a peaceful spot, surrounded by nature, with a great trail that runs past it. This area is known for its tranquility, offering some of the best scenery in the Southern Uplands. The reservoir itself is a lovely sight, tucked away among the hills, with the misty weather adding an almost magical atmosphere. It's not just a beautiful spot, it also serves as an important resource for the surrounding areas. You can imagine back in the day how people in the local area would have relied on it. So, while we take in these views, let's appreciate how serene and timeless this place feels. A perfect break in the misty journey we've been having. Let's keep moving and see where this walk takes us next. Back into the fog, I would guess.
Wanlockhead, your spirit will never fade. In the winds and the heather, your memories lay. Through the valleys and rivers, we feel the call. A legacy strong, we stand proud and tall. Wanlockhead, your spirit will never fade. In the winds and the heather, your memories lay. Through the valleys and rivers, we feel the call. A legacy strong, we stand proud and tall. Through the mist we walk with the hills.
The fog has rolled in thick and fast, and we're in a scene straight out of a horror movie. Seriously, I half expect a creepy foghorn to blare in the distance any second now. Maybe some ominous music too. It's like we're walking through a scene from Silent Hill, but with fewer creepy monsters, I hope. The mist is so thick you can barely see a few feet in front of you, making this walk feel a bit, well, mysterious. Perfect for anyone who loves a good, eerie adventure, but not so much if you're the type to jump at every shadow. The fog has a way of transforming the surroundings, making everything feel a little more haunting. Still, it's all part of the experience, right? We're out here in the wilds of Scotland, with nothing but our dogs, the sound of our footsteps, and the eerie silence of the fog. So let's keep going and see where this strange mist leads us. Just don't be surprised if something jumps out at us, or if I scream like a character in one of those films. Fingers crossed we don't bump into any creepy figures wandering out of the fog. Let's carry on, shall we? As we continue on, we're approaching a place with some heavy history, the site of the World War II hurricane crash. It's important to pause and remember the pilot, Sergeant George Stevenson, or Geordie as he was known. He was just 26 years old, from Kilwinning, Ayrshire. On a training exercise in 1941, his Hawker Hurricane tragically crashed here, on the slopes of Lowther Hill. The remains of the plane are long gone, but a plaque and cross stands in tribute to George, commemorating his service and sacrifice. It's a reminder of the bravery of those who fought for freedom, and the plaque and cross here serve as a lasting tribute to George. A young man with his whole life ahead of him, tragically lost, but never forgotten.
And the highland reigns. Through the hills their spirit remains, carried by the wind, whispered in the rain. Though the storm has faded, their memory shines. In the heart of the highlands, they stand for all time. Through the hills their spirit remains, carried by the wind, whispered in the rain. Though the storm
Well folks, we made it, or at least as far as the weather would let us. At the very top, the wind and fog were just too wild to keep filming. I didn't fancy my phone being blown into the next glen. Now making our way back down the hill, it's typical Scottish luck. The weather's finally starting to lift. And just look at that view. Wanlockhead laid out below us, Scotland's highest village, sitting proudly among the hills. It's a stunning sight, and the perfect way to finish off the walk. Thanks for coming along for the adventure today. If you enjoyed the stroll, mist, fog, horror movie vibes and all, be sure to give the video a wee like, and please do subscribe for more journeys through Scotland's amazing landscapes. Places like this remind us, every step has a story. Until next time on Lochs and Highways, take care, and I'll see you out there on the roads. Or the hills.